we begin with the breaking news. A judge just ruling that Donald Trump, his sons, Don Jr. and Eric, and the entire Trump organization committed extensive and persistent fraud over a decade. The ruling says the former president inflated the value of his assets by billions of dollars and then lied about his net worth on financial documents to banks and insurance companies. This now leads to the cancellation of the company's New York business license, which means the Trump organization could lose control over properties like Trump Tower in Midtown Manhattan. Tonight's decision is a major win for New York Attorney General Letitia James, who is seeking a fine of $250 million and a permanent ban on the Trump organization, including Trump himself, from doing business in New York State. CBS's Scott MacFarlane is going to start us off tonight. Good evening, Scott.
Good evening, Nora. Donald Trump launched his political career saying he'd mastered the art of the deal. A judge has ruled Trump inflated some of his net worth and some of those deals. A judge has found Donald Trump engaged in fraud, overinflating the worth of his real estate holdings and misleading banks and insurers. The ruling comes days before the Trump organization is to stand trial in a civil case alleging years of fraud and misconduct brought by New York Attorney General Letitia James last year.
Claiming you have money that you do not have does not amount to the art of the deal. It's the art of the steal.
In the ruling, the judge found Trump and top executives at the Trump organization lied about his assets in order to secure favorable loans and lower insurance premiums. In one instance, claiming his 10,000 square foot apartment was roughly 30,000 square feet. The judge summarizing Trump's approach to bookkeeping: this is a fantasy world, not the real world. The lawsuit from Attorney General James seeks $250 million.
And there cannot be different rules for different people in this country or in this state. And former presidents are no different.
When Trump was deposed in the case in August of last year, he pleaded the fifth and then repeated it more than 400 times.
Is that correct? Same answer.
Trump has repeatedly denied wrongdoing and lashed out at James for bringing the suit.
This raging maniac campaigned for office, ranting and raving about her goal. Her only goal is, we got to get Donald Trump. We got to get him. She knew nothing about me. I never heard of her.
In a statement to CBS News, a Trump spokesperson calls the ruling fundamentally flawed. The judge has also ordered sanctions of some of Trump's attorneys, Nora, saying some of their arguments were, quote, frivolous.
Scott MacFarlane, thank you.